Imagine sitting down after a long day. You grab your Apple TV remote. You open your favorite streaming app. You find that massive new action movie you have been dying to watch. You hit play, but instead of a booming, explosive opening, you get nothing. You hear total silence for 3 or 4 whole seconds. The video is playing. The characters are talking, but the sound is completely missing. By the time the audio finally kicks in, you have already missed the most important dialogue of the scene. This happens to millions of people every single day. It is incredibly frustrating. Your speakers might even make a loud, annoying popping sound before the audio starts. You might think your soundbar is broken. You might think your expensive receiver is failing, but it is actually a software problem. And what if I told you that Apple just secretly fixed this problem forever? The hype around tvOS 16.4. Apple has just released a brand new update for the Apple TV 4K. This update is known as tvOS 16.4. Right now, this software is in the beta phase. This means it is still being tested by developers before everyone else gets to use it. Inside this new update, Apple has quietly added a very interesting, hidden new setting. It is officially called Continuous Audio Connection. Since this setting first appeared on the screen, the internet has been buzzing. Many people have been talking about it online. Users have been sending messages and leaving comments, asking what this feature actually does. They want to know if it is safe to turn on. There's also a huge amount of confusion spreading around. Many Apple fans saw a new audio setting and immediately jumped to the wrong conclusion. They thought Apple had finally added lossless audio to the Apple TV. Lossless audio is a massive deal in the tech world. It is something hardcore audio fans have demanded for a very long time. It would bring the absolute highest quality sound possible to your living room. People have waited years for this exact feature. So, when they saw a new audio toggle, they got extremely excited. But we have to be brutally honest right away. This new feature is not lossless audio. It does not magically create lossless audio. It has absolutely nothing to do with lossless audio at all. Even though it is not the feature some purists hoped for, it is actually incredibly useful. In fact, it is arguably more important for your daily life. About 99% of Apple TV users will benefit from this setting. It makes the everyday experience of using the Apple TV so much smoother and faster. How to find the hidden setting. Let us look at exactly how to find this new setting on your device. First, you need to make sure your Apple TV software is completely up to date. You will grab your remote and go to the main settings menu. From there, you will scroll down and go into the system section. Inside that menu, you check for software updates. Remember, to see this right now, you have to be enrolled in the Apple Developer Beta program. If you're not in this testing program, you will not see the setting yet. You just have to wait a little bit for the official public release. But do not worry at all. It will be available as a free update for everyone very soon. Once your software is updated to version 16.4, you go back out to the main settings page. You need to look for the video and audio section. You click on that. Inside that menu, you scroll down to the specific audio area. You will find a tab labeled Audio Format. When you click on this tab, you will immediately notice some big changes. Apple has redesigned this menu to look slightly different. Down at the very bottom of the screen, you will spot the brand new option. It sits right under the HDMI output section. It is titled Continuous Audio Connection. You simply toggle this switch to on or off. Apple even provides a small text explanation right there on the screen. It says that the Apple TV uses a Dolby MAT connection to create seamless transitions between different audio formats. The digital handshake problem. That explanation from Apple might sound like complicated technical jargon. To truly understand why this is a massive upgrade, we need to look at how the Apple TV normally functions. Most of the time you use your Apple TV, you are just scrolling through the menus. You are picking a show. You are swiping left and right. As you do this, you hear tiny little sounds. You hear the simple clicks and beeps of the user interface. Usually, these small menu sounds are sent to your TV as a very basic audio signal. In the tech world, this is called PCM audio. It is just a standard, uncompressed stereo signal. It does not require much processing power at all. Your TV handles it easily. However, Everything completely changes the second you start playing a movie. If you open Netflix, HBO Max, or Disney Plus, the movie is going to have high-quality, complex sound. It will likely be in Dolby Atmos. This is rich, immersive surround sound. When that movie starts, the Apple TV has to suddenly change its audio signal. It has to switch from that simple stereo PCM signal into a complex Dolby MAT signal. This sudden change happens every single time you go from the basic menu into a big movie. It also happens in reverse. It happens every time you stop your movie and go back to the menu. This constant, never-ending switching is the root of the problem. Many home theater systems, soundbars, and expensive receivers struggle to keep up with this constant switching. When the audio format changes, your audio receiver has to lock onto the brand new signal. Tech experts call this a digital handshake. The Apple TV says, "Hey, I am changing the format to Dolby." The receiver says, "Okay, let me stop what I am doing, figure out this new format, and play it." Sometimes this digital handshake takes 1, 2, or even 4 seconds to complete. During those long seconds of calculation, you hear absolutely nothing. You get dead silence. You miss the intro to your favorite show. Your speakers might even click or pop loudly as they adjust. This breaks the immersion. It feels cheap. It feels broken. The Dolby MAT solution. This is exactly where the new continuous audio connection feature comes in to save the day. When you turn this magical setting on, the Apple TV simply stops switching back and forth. It stops changing its mind. Instead, it forces the Apple TV to stay in the high-quality Dolby MAT mode all the time. Think of Dolby MAT as a giant, protective shipping container for your sound. Even if you're just scrolling the menu and hearing a tiny, simple beep, that tiny beep is placed inside the giant Dolby container. The Apple TV sends the giant container to your receiver no matter what you are doing. Because the container never changes size or shape, your receiver never has to resync. The digital handshake happens just once when you turn the TV on. After that, it stays completely locked onto the signal. This makes the whole viewing experience feel incredibly fast. There are no more frustrating silent gaps. There is no more waiting for the dialogue to catch up to the video. There are no more annoying popping sounds from your speakers. It is instant. Seeing it in action. Many people hear these technical words like Dolby MAT or PCM and feel a little bit lost. But when you actually see this feature working in the real world, it becomes very clear why this is a total game changer for the Apple TV 4K. Imagine doing a live demonstration with a high-end, modern television. Take the TCL QM9K, for example. This specific TV has a cool overlay display that pops up on the screen. It tells you exactly what kind of audio signal is receiving at any given moment. When the new continuous feature is turned completely off, and you're just moving through the basic Apple TV menus, the TV overlay shows a basic signal. It says PCM. It might even show nothing at all, because those menu clicks are so small and simple. But watch what happens as soon as you toggle the continuous audio connection to on. The change is instant. The TV overlay immediately pops up on the screen. It proudly says Dolby Audio or Dolby Atmos. Even though you are still just sitting on the boring home screen and only hearing little menu clicks, the Apple TV is now sending a massive, high-level Dolby signal. It has permanently locked into that Dolby MAT container. Now, as you move around the apps, that Dolby notification stays completely active. The handshake is finished forever. It is locked in. It never has to happen again as long as the device is powered on. This means when you finally click play on your movie, the sound starts the exact millisecond the video starts. There is zero lag. Why this is a massive win. This is a massive, life-changing improvement for people who own older audio equipment. If you have a receiver or a soundbar that is a few years old, its processor might be a bit slow. Some older audio devices take 3 to 5 seconds to recognize a complex Dolby Atmos signal. Imagine starting a movie and missing the first 5 seconds of the story every single time. It drives people crazy. By keeping the connection totally continuous, the Apple TV permanently solves this headache. It essentially tricks your older receiver into thinking it is always playing a massive Hollywood movie. So, the receiver never drops the signal. It stays awake, ready, and waiting. This is why Apple specifically calls it a seamless transition. It makes the entire software interface feel much more premium, snappy, and expensive. We really need to talk about why this matters for the average person. Most people are not audio experts. They just want their expensive technology to actually work. They do not want to worry about digging into hidden settings, fixing formats, or Googling error codes. They just want to sit down, relax, and watch TV. Before this beta update, the Apple TV was doing a massive amount of heavy lifting behind the scenes. That constant switching caused all those tiny, annoying glitches. By simply turning this one feature on, all those glitches instantly vanish. It is one of those brilliant set-it-and-forget-it settings. You turn it on once, and your life gets better. Even if you do not have a massive, custom $10,000 home theater room, you will notice the difference. You will instantly feel that the menus are faster. The switching between Netflix and YouTube will feel incredibly smooth. Does it ruin sound quality? Now, let us address the big, scary question that audio fans always ask. Is there any downside to turning this on? Does it ruin the sound? Some strict audio purists worry about this. They think that if you put a tiny, simple stereo sound into a massive Dolby container, the Apple TV might digitally alter the sound. They worry it might sound fake, processed, or weird. However, that is absolutely not how Dolby MAT works. Dolby MAT stands for Metadata Enhanced Audio Transmission. It is basically a very advanced, high-quality pipeline used to send pure, uncompressed audio. When a simple stereo sound is placed inside this pipeline, the sound remains exactly as it was originally recorded. It does not get magically stretched out. It does not get weird artificial echoes. It does not get distorted in any way. It simply rides along safely inside a much larger, more stable connection. You get all of the amazing speed benefits of a high-end audio connection with zero of the technical headaches. There is zero degradation in audio quality. It is a total win-win situation. My final opinion on the update. So, what does this ultimately mean for the future of the Apple TV 4K? While this specific update is not the magical lossless audio update that the hardcore fans demanded, it proves something very important. It shows that Apple is actually listening to the home theater community. Apple knows that audio enthusiasts deeply care about how their receivers handle digital signals. They know that slow handshake delays and audio dropouts are one of the biggest complaints on the internet. By spending the time and money to engineer this feature, Apple is easily making the Apple TV 4K the most stable, reliable streaming box on the entire market. It shows they're deeply focused on fixing the actual daily user experience, rather than just inventing useless features to add big numbers to a spec sheet. For anyone who is part of the tech enthusiast community or any home theater group, this is an absolute victory. It might look like a tiny, boring switch hidden deep in a settings menu. But for someone who has struggled with annoying audio dropouts and silent gaps for years, it is a huge relief. It fixes a broken system. If you're currently running the developer beta, you need to grab your remote, go into your settings right now, and turn this feature on immediately. If you are waiting for the normal public release, keep a very close eye out for tvOS 16.4. It is going to be one of the most popular, universally loved updates Apple has released in a very long time. Even if most normal people do not realize exactly why their TV suddenly feels so much faster and better to use, they will love it. In conclusion, the continuous audio connection is a brilliant, elegant solution to a very common, frustrating problem. It completely removes the annoying friction of digital audio switching. It keeps your expensive equipment locked in and ready to fire. And most importantly, it guarantees that you will never miss a single moment or a single word of your favorite show ever again because of a slow digital handshake. It is incredibly simple. It is highly effective. And it is exactly the kind of polish we have come to expect from Apple. It might not be true lossless audio, but it is undoubtedly seamless audio. And in the complex world of home theater setups, being seamless is almost just as good. If you found this video helpful and you love keeping your tech running smoothly, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who owns an Apple TV, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments below. Have you been suffering from audio delays, and are you excited to finally flip this switch?